All right, thanks guys. I'm Todd here at SOLIDWORKS World 2018. We're with Chris and the Hawkware booth, and just going to check out what they're showing and what they're seeing at SOLIDWORKS World this year. So Chris, what's the most exciting thing you've heard about so far at SOLIDWORKS World?
I'd have to say it's the digital marketplace that Dassault Systems putting together with 3D solutions. Yeah, we can get our solutions out in front of everybody around the world. They can get access to all the hardware they need for their design. So
I mean, that was
pretty
parts,
amazing.
but I mean, is your stuff? Can you see your stuff being available as a service, right, on the marketplace?
Yep, as a service, or even the software products. There's a word of a software marketplace. In the works as well.
Right. Oh, yeah. Awesome. So that's going to fit in. That's like,
perfect,
golden. Okay, so let's see. What's the most interesting thing at your booth, or what would you like to sort of share with us?
Yeah, our newest thing is our cloud connector. We wrote a REST API for PDM Pro, so that you can create a web server and any kind of web interface you want, and connect it to other applications. So we can pull information from PDM directly, or you can tell it to do things like transition your files, or create conversions, or run tasks, or basically anything you need it to do.
Awesome. Now, we talked about this a little bit earlier, but let me back up just a second. You probably ought to give us just an overview. What does Hawkware do, and what are you about?
Yeah, we're just a software development team. We've all been in the PDM or in the SolidWorks business for a very long time.
Okay.
My boss for 20 years and me for 17, and so we all have that kind of deep SolidWorks background. So we spend most of our time developing applications for PDM, because that's where the big opportunity is for automation and integration.
Oh, cool. Okay, so it's just custom solutions,
Yeah.
and then, all right, nice. So if there was one thing maybe that you'd like to make sure that TriMech customers heard about, or that you could tell them, so, we don't have everybody can't be here. If you wanted to give them one message, what would that be?
Yeah, if you've got customers asking about more BOM management capabilities in PDM, then absolutely check out XBOM. We designed it to kind of answer all the questions that we've been hearing from our customers for the last 20 years. So,
all right,
check it
nice.
out.
I appreciate your time. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.